go.
I beg you to sweat.
It's alright.
I beg you to sweat.
I say it's alright.
I beg you to sweat.
It's alright.
I beg you to sweat.
Come on, baby, light my
I
fire.
beg you to sweat.
It's alright.
I beg you to sweat.
I say it's alright.
Beg you to sweat.
It's alright.
Beg you to sweat.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Come on, baby, light my fire.
That's good. That's good. Robbie, let's kick ass. That's good. That's good.
Come on, baby, light my fire.
That's good. That's good.
The new generation's music will be, it'll have a synthesis of those two elements and some third thing that'll be entire. Maybe it'll be, it might rely heavily on electronics, tapes. I can kind of envision maybe one person with a lot of machines, tapes, and electronic setups, singing or speaking and using machines.
I beg you to sweat.
It's alright.
I beg you to sweat.
I say it's alright.